Guys, meet my friend Gore. यो चाहिँ मेरो गल्लीको एकदमै ज्ञानी कुकुर. कति हिस्यो तिमी? के बिस्किट चाहियो? हो? के भयो? के? Alright, never mind. Let's go, guys. So hello to all of you. आज यसो हल्का मर्निङ राइड गरौँ भनेर निस्किएको छु with a lot of energy. Winter पनि अब सिधिनै हाल्यो, समर आउँदैछ. I have not done a lot of cycle rides or even motor vlogsहरू. Time manage गर्न एकदमै गाह्रो when you're already working professionally. So guys, please do not mind. भनेको जस्तो मैले भिडियो पुरा गर्न सकिरहेको छुइनँ. I do know that. But thank you all for your support. You guys motivate me to make videos. अनि एडिटिङ चाहिँ हुँदैछ. The only thing is client को deadlinesहरू आइरहेको हुन्छ. अनि obviously when it comes to clients को videos, deadlinesहरू खासै postpone गर्न मिल्दैन नि त. I'm so sorry guys. अनि त्यसैले चाहिँ आज यो एउटा भिडियो राखिहालौँ भनेर सोचेको हो people. के हो स्ट्यामिना भन्ने कुरा जस्तो भइसक्यो. धेरै साइकल नचलाएर एकैछिनमा थाकिसकेँ. एकैछिनमा बोल्नु होला. खासै उकालो त देखिन्न होला गोप्रोमा, तर ठिकै उकालो छ यो. झन् बोल्दै भ्लग गर्नै अति गाह्रो, तर केही छैन. इट्स द पार्ट अफ द स्पोर्ट. दे स्वयम्भू. ओहो, पछाडि ओइल गरेर ल्याउनु पर्ने रहेछ यार साइकल. हतारमा निस्किहालेँ एक्साइटमेन्टमा. स्वयम्भूको पछाडि हलचोक हुँदै अझ वेस्ट साइडतिर जाने प्लानमा छु. एउटा पार्टसम्म चाहिँ स्टेडी अपहिल छ, त्यसपछि चाहिँ अलिक गाह्रै खालको अपहिल छ, एकदमै स्टिप. So this route is kind of a mixed bag, so I enjoy this route. Brakes on point. This bike is already 2 years old now. But I am thinking about getting a new bike. तर अब लियो भने चाहिँ full suspension bike लिन्छु भनेर सोचिरहेको छु. Bike as in cycle of course. Motorbike किन्ने चाहिँ अहिले no plans. Still पनि मेरो Honda Shine is all good. अर्को उकालो आयो. Steady but हल्का काम चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ यता. Pedaling hard. But I like this weather, man. Not sunny, not raining. एकदम शीतल. Usually चाहिँ म साइकल राइड्समा यो डेडिकेटेड अडियो रिकर्डर र पुरा पिन माइक लाएर बोल्दिनँ. अनि like having a lot of this electronic device with you distracts from the actual riding part. We want to be as light as possible. But as a short ride vocally, I thought, why not provide crystal clear audio for you guys? Motivation, man. Which is one of the reasons why I wake up early these days, at least. Either jog or walk or cycle whenever I can. Oh, bato हेरेर दाजु. अलिक carefully हुनुपर्ने त. So yeah, हलचोक पुगियो. I'm crossing this ring road. अनि यो चोकबाट माथि जाँदै हो. Cool. अब यहाँदेखिको बाटो चाहिँ हल्का क्लाइम्ब हुँदै जान्छ. This part is easy. Straight छ. एकदमै थाकिन्छ. I gotta increase my stamina, man. कुरा पनि आउने आँट्यो. तपाईहरु पनि यदि राइडहरु गरिराख्नुहुन्छ भने why not meet and go for a short cycle ride together? That'll be fun. So yes, you can comment down below if you want to go for a cycle ride with me. Not very far. Stamina छैन. Sorry guys. I just want to enjoy cycling. That's it. Cool. Good energy, good energy. अब यो पार्टबाट बिस्तारै स्टिपनेस बढ्दैछ. बिस्तारै जाने. केही हतार छैन. त्यति डस्टी पनि छैन. This is motivation guys. बिहान बिहान उठेर यति गर्नु भनेको नि, it inspires yourself throughout the day. But it's very important, man. I was stressed out, man, in the past few months. काम भयो, यता भयो, उता भयो, rest थिएन, extra activitiesहरु थिएन. अनि it hit me, man. And त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ झन् थाहा भयो the importance of doing something that you like this. Cycling is for me, man. Motor vlog को आफ्नो छुट्टै swag छ. तर motor vlogs मा you're not really pushing your body physically. And this is very hard, but man, satisfaction. And I'm struggling. It's the low gear ma pani. So nagardai gayeपछि obviously stamina गर्दै जान्छ. अनि गर्दै गएपछि फेरि it comes back to the point. Pedal, Rachel, pedal. Whew. I'm burning. Absolutely burning. Pedal power. I mean, Kathmandu looks very hazy. Whew. There it is. I'm real hazy Kathmandu this morning. Cool. And this is my setup. Azi my kitasa. Let's go, guys. Obviously, your route was सबसे गाह्रो part आउँदैछ, which is that steep climb. GoPro shoots really flat. Man, हेर्दाखेरि पनि नचढौँ जस्तो लाग्ने उकालो छ यार. As you can see, I have to push a lot even to move just a short distance. Hurry, God. Daily grind, as I say. Push, Raj, push. Killer of an Ikalu. This feeling, man, when you get to the top, it's priceless. Sorry, I'm crying like a baby, man. Ooh. On city plane, I say, fresh, at least empty lands. Very rare to see in Kathmandu. I'm taking a left. Actually, usually I'm going to see which is एकदमै hard. It's too steep ukalo छ. अहिलेको उकालो भन्दा पनि steep. So I'm not trying that today. So यो बाटो गइरहेको चाहिँ अब सीता पाइला बिस्तारै निस्किन्छ. So एकदमै short ride just to get myself going. I need to stay motivated, man. हल्का ओह्रालो देख्ने बित्तिकै खुसी लाग्ने. Feeling the air hitting my face. The only sad part about cycling inside or around Kathmandu is the dust never goes away. Feeling the vibrations that the cycle is giving me. Yeah. I mean, the cons of having a kind of cheap hardtail is you do not have a dropper seat post. I had to manually lower down the seat for this terrain. So many things to learn. But already busy, right? Which is concerning me a bit. Trying my best to keep myself dry. Only it has started to rain. Pani paripsi cycling. Garnu pani already off tere. Video record garnu pani off tere. So अब सीता पाइला आउन आँट्यौं. Yeah. ल सीता पाइला आयो. जानु पर्ला. Don't wanna die? Right on. I cannot contemplate how much effort this takes, man. यसरी लोड लिएर दौडिनु त्यो पनि. Oh, right on, guys, right on. Yeah, let's go. Pushing. L. Chauniko barrack pani aipugyo. I think I'll be heading straight. Ooh, so clean. Zalista boy pura maile yaar. These guys train hard. Timi haunu malai bhetna ehi purano tauma barki basne tu तिमीलाई सधैँ म हल्का गीत सित गाउनै पर्यो कहिले काहीँ मुड चलेको बेलामा Woo, this is fun, man. Sorry, doggy. Gotta go this way. Woo. Fellow cycle riders, respect. Off-road गइदिहालौँ. Loose gravel. साइकलमा भएपछि अफ-रोड मात्रै जानु मन लाग्छ सिधै बाटो देखे पनि. So I think यो भिडियो यतै एन्ड गर्नु पर्ला. Thank you very much for staying with me here in this video. Thank you for the motivation. I am still trying to put out more videos. अबको नेक्स्ट भिडियो भनेको चाहिँ डेली अब्जर्भेसन्स भिडियो भन्ने त्यसको फर्स्ट भिडियो अनि त्यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ I'll be compiling short moments of people acting very foolishly on the road, both pedestrians and riders, drivers, whatever. So त्यो हेर्न चाहिँ इन्फर्मेटिभ अनि रमाइलो पनि हुन्छ होला हजुरहरूलाई. Alright, so this has been a very strong motivational morning. As you can see, you gotta keep pushing yourself, man. That's what I'm trying to do, share my motivation and energy with you guys. So I think, yeah, I'll be signing off for today. Keep it tuned here, people. Thank you. Awesome.